competition is, if you crash, number one, you lose. If you put a foot down, you lose. Those are two defaults. The crashing is more likely than putting the foot down. I will crash my bike before I put my foot down. Go! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! The KLR takes it! Oh my gosh. Why did I leave my vents open on my pants before I did that? That was a huge mistake. He soaked me so bad on that race that we're not planning on racing back through, but I'm gonna have to go ahead and take the lead and drench him with the roost. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's so bad. Oh my god. Oh, I can't see. The plan was to stay out of your roost, and then I realized one of us was gonna have to get roosted, and it wasn't gonna be me this time. Oh, it smelled like a wet turd. Oh.